my name is B. Chandana. I am studying 9th standard at KB School. I have successfully completed vocabulary building challenge in 2024. Now I am presenting types and subcategories of verbs. Verb types and subcategories. Verb. Verb is a word which expresses state, condition or occurrence. There are divided into 10 types. The first one is action verbs. Action verbs express physical or mental actions. There are divided into 2 types. Transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs. Example, join, interview. Intransitive verbs. Examples, zoom, sink or float. And second one is linking verbs. Linking verbs connect to the subject of the sentence to additional information about the subject. They are divided into 2 types. Forms of to be, sensory verbs. Forms of to be. Example, being helpful, being lazy. Sensory verbs. Example, sample or perceive. Auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs assist the main verb in a sentence by adding tense mode or voice. There are divided into 2 types, primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries. Example, could be doing, can be doing. Modal auxiliaries. Example, shall not or will not. Modal verbs. Modal verbs express state, action or possibility, obligation. Examples, can sometimes, shall always. Regular verbs. Regular verbs form their past tense by adding ed or d. Example, kill, shout, kick. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs do not follow standard rule for forming action verbs or past tense. Example, put, and last. Stative verbs. Stative verbs describe state, condition or feelings rather than the action. Example, look, mean. Dynamic verbs. Dynamic verbs describe action or process that can be changed over time. Example, interview or intense. And phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are combination of verb and preposition or adverb. There are divided into 2 types, separable phrasal verbs and inseparable phrasal verbs. Separable phrasal verbs. Example, pick up, pick out. Inseparable phrasal verbs. Example, zoom up, zoom in. At 10th one, reflexive verbs. Reflexive verbs indicates object or subject in the verb are the same. Example, cheer up and escape. Thank you.